Want to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch? Well, look no further. You can capture anything on your screen in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch. So no more wasting time, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap General. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Screenshots. Now toggle on the Enable Screenshots. You can now take a screenshot by pressing the side button and the digital crown button at the same time. To check the screenshot, grab your iPhone, open the Photos app. Here you will find your Apple Watch's screenshot. If you're not found, then go to the albums, then open the screenshot. And that's it. This is the way to take a screenshot on your Apple Watch. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you know anything, feel free to ask in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in another video.